Do you know how fast your PC is? Think again. Hey guys, Adnan Hussain here. Today's video I will show you how to benchmark your PC with world's most popular benchmarking tool like Cinebench, Geekbench, Blender and NovaBench etc. So let's test your PC and see the truth. First tool that we test, Geekbench. All the benchmarking tool download link will be given in the description. Geekbench is a cross-platform benchmarking tool that tests both your CPU and GPU performance. It's a good overall indicator of your system capabilities. To run the test, you have to do nothing. Just click on the Run CPU benchmark and the test will be start. After test ended, it will give you a result of single core and multi-core, and you can check here the information. Okay, and you can also click on the comparison button, set baseline. You can also check the other benchmarking score by searching the CPU name in the search box. Second benchmarking tool that we are using is Cinebench. Cinebench is a great tool for testing CPU performance. It's render a detailed 3D scene to push your processor to its limit. In Cinebench, you will find two main types of tests, single core and multi-core. There is also an advanced option that include throttle test and stability test. While the throttle test leads 10 minutes and the stability test run for 30 minutes. You can choose this test for your drop down menu or simply click start to begin the benchmark for your computer. I usually go with single core benchmark by hitting start, letting it run. The third benchmarking tool that we are using is Blender. Blender is not a dedicated benchmarking tool, but it actually pretty great for testing how your system performs under heavy load. To run benchmark, just open Blender, go to this benchmark option and click on it. The benchmark will kick off put your CPU, GPU and everything else to the test. Once it's done, it will get a benchmark score that tells you how your computer stack up. The fourth benchmarking tool that we are using is NovaBench. NovaBench is a super popular and free tool that makes benchmarking your whole system and breeze. It checks out your CPU, GPU, RAM and storage to give you a solid overview of your computer performance. To run the benchmark, just open NovaBench and hit the Start All Benchmark Test button. If you prefer, you can test each of the individual. Just click on the drop down menu to choose between CPU, GPU, RAM and other. Run the full suite will give you a comprehensive score for your entire system. Plus, you can compare your result with other benchmark score to see how your setup stack. It's a really handy way to get your picture of your computer performance in real world. And there you have it. You know how to benchmark your PC with 3D Mark, Geekbench and Blender and NovaBench etc. And by using this, you can check your PC performance. And another thing I will say, that is, remember benchmarking score are one piece of a puzzle. But there are other lots of factors like system cooling, overclocking and software optimization also play a crucial role on your computer performance. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be helpful to me.